In a major move towards electrification, Toyota has just unveiled plans for a substantial $1.3 billion investment in its flagship Kentucky facility. Government Andy Beshear, you cannot think of the Bluegrass region and Scott County without thinking of Toyota. We are grateful that they continue to invest in our Commonwealth and continue to set a standard for high-quality, well-paying jobs for our citizens. Kerry Creech, today's announcement reflects our commitment to vehicle electrification and further reinvesting in our U.S. operations. This massive investment includes the assembly of an all-new, 3-row battery electric SUV specifically designed for the U.S. market. Toyota Kentucky, a cornerstone of Toyota's North American operations since 1986, has been the birthplace of some of the most beloved vehicles, including the Camry, America's best-selling passenger car for 22 consecutive years. Chris Cohelia, it's exciting to be a part of the team building Toyota's first battery electric vehicle in North America. Toyota not only invests in its operations but is also committed to the communities it operates in, focusing on education and workforce development. Since making Kentucky its home nearly 4 decades ago, Toyota has contributed over $154 million to various local initiatives, strengthening the foundation for the future. With this latest investment, Toyota reaffirms its dedication to high-quality vehicles, job stability, and a sustainable automotive future. Stay tuned as we witness the transformation of this facility into a hub for electrified vehicles. For more updates on Toyota's electrification journey, subscribe and stay connected. Together, let's drive towards a greener and more sustainable future.